need a break.
Excuse me.
Hey, you! Can't you see this is one way?
Excuse me, but it's very important that I speak to the Queen. It's really, really urgent.
Maya? Oh, by all means, let her in.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, but it's an emergency. Willie and we saw a bear near the hive.
A bear? Are you sure?
Absolutely, Your Majesty.
But a bear has never been seen in this region.
Perhaps Maya made a mistake.
Perhaps, but that's a risk we cannot take. The hive must be evacuated. Guards, raise bear alert!
Bear alert! Bear alert! Bear alert! Bear alert! Everyone outside the hive! Queen's orders!
Miss Cassandra! Where are we going, Miss Cassandra?
We are going to make camp while we wait for the bear to leave the meadow.
But where? Huh? Maya! Maya, where are you? Maya! Huh? Maya! Willie, where'd you go?
I was outside, actually, watching. That's it. I was watching the hive. You know, guarding it from the bear.
Hey, you! Let me go! Huh? The red petal. How did it get here? Momo? Is that you? Momo? Momo, don't you remember when you were a caterpillar?
I don't know. I just came out of my cocoon.
You have to remember. We played together. I slid on your back, and then we raced against Max and Willie.
Maybe.
And you already really liked eating. Can you remember your favorite food, Momo? Tree sap?
Nope, I can't remember that.
Okay, please wait. I'll be back in a moment.
Maya! Maya! Momo's hatched out. The hole's empty.
I know. He's here eating our honey.
What?
I don't know how to make him stop, and he doesn't recognize me. He forgot everything when he became that big moth.
Huh?
Don't worry. I've got an idea on how to get him out of the hive. I've got to go to the meadow. You stay here and try to refresh his memory. Don't worry, he's still just as friendly.
But...
Try to make him stop eating all of the honey.
Go on then. If he's your friend, what are you waiting for?
We only played together once, and if he can't remember Maya, he won't remember me. Hello, Momo. You're not gonna eat it all, are you?
Willie, what are you doing?
Well, you told me to stop him eating all of it, so I wasn't gonna let him have